are at NIA Body Kits headquarters. When we come up with a new design, I'll sketch it out. With Alvaro, he helps me out. We'll present the sketching to William. William would do everything in 3D. Once everything's good, then we commit to a mold. The mold goes onto the vacuum forming machine, make the piece, and after that it goes into the CNC. So it uses the 3-axis to make the mold and then the 5-axis to trim the pieces. From there it goes into production. Production, they sand everything down, make sure everything's perfect. And if the customer wanted to paint it, we color match it, paint it, and then from there, quality control. Our guys, I mean, they find every speck of dirt. They wet sand it, they buff it, make sure everything is perfect before boxing it up and then shipping out to the customer. The ShopBot is kind of like it's a 2-in-1 basically, like what we were dreaming of for many years, and ShopBot was able to make it, so I was excited for that.